Eli, we received your sample material in, and as we discussed on the phone, this material cuts just fine. The type of die that I would recommend for cutting your material is 1.25 inch high forged die. This is a die that we outsource, very inexpensive type of die that can build, you know, about any shape or size you can imagine. And you had also talked about the bevel on the edge. They can do a different bevel on the edge to give you a different cut on the side. So the way this would work, and I'm going to show you on our smaller press first, this press has the capability of cutting up to 30 linear inches of blade at one time, and then we obviously have our 1500 press, which can cut up to 60 inches of blade at one time with this type of die. So, put the material on top of the cutting board. That's a sacrificial cutting board. You slide it in, flick it out, and right now I actually cut through 2 layers of your material. And as you'll see, I got a nice clean cut. The edges are very clean, and I'll send these cut samples back to you. Next, I'm going to show you the same application on our larger press. So the way this would work again, this material is a little clumsy, sorry about that. Pull the die board out, set the material on top of the die, and again I will do 2 layers at one time. Put the die on top of the material. The die being rolled over makes it a little higher, so I'm going to have to sort of press it in here. If it was just flat sheets, you wouldn't have to do that. Then slide it in, plug it out. Now that one's going to go through it a little easier since this is our 1500 press. Again, I'll pop it off. And as you can see, I got nice clean edges. Again, I will label these samples as to which press cut which sample, and I will send these back to you and also send you a video link. Thank you.